Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Classroom. We are back with another interesting video. But before we jump on that, I hope you are liking our previous videos. If you have not subscribed yet, please do. For getting most out of this video, please do keep watching till the end. So let's start our video. So today we are going to show you how you can use Microsoft Edge browser as a PDF text reader. And this is a very useful feature when you are doing a multitasking work and do not want to read entire PDF or your text, and you wanted to focus on what you are already doing simultaneously and just wanted to listen it what exactly that PDF textbook it is. So let's quickly see that how you can go ahead and see this functionality. So basically whenever you open any of the PDF on the Microsoft browser, there's another small ticket bar is coming up where it says that it's a read aloud. You have to click it here. And once you do that, that's all you have to do.
The many stick and ball games
So
played in England
you can see that it started reading. You can change the functionality as well.
English word that simply means stick or club.
Like this.
By the 17th century,
So whichever you like it, you can choose any of the voices from here.
Till the middle of the 18th century.
Let's quickly stop this one, and we can also read whether this can read a Hindi book as well. Let me just quickly go here and see the another voice. Let me just choose India and Hindi language, and let's say we are going ahead with this Swara.
उसक यारी कमीज का सलाई उधड़ गई है.
So this is the entire video on this PDF text reader, which is inbuilt available within the Microsoft browser. I hope you have liked this video. Please do not forget to share this video with your friends, family or colleague, and also subscribe our channel as well. Thank you for your support as always. Bye bye everyone.